Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to reset password on Salesforce. So let's begin. Now, resetting your password in Salesforce can be done easily, whether you are a user needing to change your own password or maybe an administrator needing to reset a user's password. Now, here are some steps for both scenarios. Once you are in the login page of a Salesforce, there's going to be an option right here to click on the upper right corner. Click on the Salesforce. Now, there is an option that says forgot your password. All right. And of course, from here, all you have to do is enter the username and click on continue. Click that and click on continue. And if they can't find the username, you make sure that you type in the username correctly. Click on continue. As you can see, we can't find it. All right. So these are going to be your options. Now, here are some steps for you to be able to do it. And as you can see, you have this option. All you have to do is click on the resend email. Of course, you can put in again the name. Now, if you're still having trouble logging into or resetting your password, the last option is going to be seeking help from the Salesforce customer support. And the subject, put in your concern. All right. And of course, enter the email address, upload some files or screenshots of the problem, and of course, click on create case. Otherwise, click the contact support on the upper right corner. You would be forwarded to a new page right here. Because resetting a password is a straightforward process, really, whether you're doing it for yourself or for another users. All right. And again, from here, just click on create a case. Or if you want to contact them, you might want to click on this number for phone support. Or you have the option to contact support here or contact sales, whichever you prefer. And following these steps, of course, you should be able to regain access to your Salesforce account quickly. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.